Hi friends, so let's understand the vasomotor reversal of the day. So in this we are understanding first of all adrenaline. So adrenaline acts on the various receptor like alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, all the receptor are adrenaline acts. But our main focus is alpha 1 and beta 2 receptor. Adrenaline act on alpha 1 receptor causing vasoconstriction vasoconstriction and increase in the BP and adrenaline act on beta 2 receptor cause vasodilatation and fall in BP. So these things are important. Adrenaline act on alpha 1 receptor and causing increase in BP, and adrenaline act on beta 2 receptor cause decrease in the BP. So let's understand, this is the blood vessel. Suppose this is the blood vessel. There are two receptors, alpha 1, beta 2. So assume that there are alpha 1 receptor is stimulated at high dose. So assume that 50 molecules are needed for the activation of the alpha 1 receptor, and beta 2 receptor are stimulated at low dose. So assume that there are 10 molecules needed for the activation of the beta 2 receptor. So when we inject adrenaline in the bloodstream, so adrenaline first act on the alpha 1 receptor. Let's assume there are 100 molecules of adrenaline we inject. So all 100 molecules act on the alpha 1 receptor, and when all the act on alpha 1 receptor causes increase in the blood pressure. Then the molecules are decreasing up to 40. There are 40 molecules. So now adrenaline not act on alpha 1 receptor because requirement is 50, but there are 40 molecules. So adrenaline not act on alpha 1 receptor, now it act on beta 2 receptor and causing vasodilatation and decrease in the blood pressure. This is very important concept and try to understand. So now we are understand this concept. Let's draw a graph. So assume that this is the normal blood pressure. We inject adrenaline at this point, so increase in the blood pressure, then decrease, and then normal. So this is because of the alpha 1 receptor, and this is because of the beta 2 receptor. This is we understand, and this phenomena is called as biphasic response. This is called as biphasic because there are two phase, increase and decrease. Biphasic response of adrenaline. Biphasic response of adrenaline on blood pressure. Understand, this is the blood pressure, this is blood pressure. So now we are injecting alpha blocker. Now here we inject alpha blocker. Please understand, this is injecting alpha blocker. So now what happens, the graph is something like this. Now graph is something like this. What happens is, when the adrenaline in act on alpha 1 receptor, there is increase in the blood pressure, that is understand. But now we block the alpha receptor, so now all the adrenaline molecule act on the beta receptor, and this beta receptor cause severe vasodilatation and severe decrease in the BP. So it is reverse. It is called reversal of what? Decrease in the BP, increase BP, vasomotor center cause increase in the BP. So it is reversal of vasomotor, so it is called as vasomotor reversal, and the scientists discover it. Dell scientists discover it, so it is called vasomotor reversal of Dell. Now we can understand this. On giving alpha blocker and adrenaline together, there is severe fall in the blood pressure, so it is called as vasomotor reversal of the Dell. Why vasomotor? Because vasomotor means increase in the BP, but it is reverse because there is a decrease in the BP. So vasomotor reversal and discover is Dell. So vasomotor reversal of Dell. I hope you can understand this concept, and for watching my video, thank you, very thank you.